Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Thank you so much for coming to check out another video, and today is a makeup tutorial. So I have to tell you guys something. All of April I'm doing hair reviews, and I'm telling you the hair that I will be reviewing is definitely something you want to stay tuned for. Beautiful hair, and you also get it at a discounted rate if you stay tuned and use my discount code. So make sure you stay tuned for April and all of my hair reviews. We're gonna go ahead and jump into this makeup tutorial because I'm actually getting ready for a music video set, so I don't have time to waste. Okay, so as you can tell, I've already did my eyebrows off camera. If you want to see a eyebrow tutorial, then I'll definitely do that for you. I have my hair wrapped up in this do-rag. I haven't worn a do-rag in like so long, so I feel kind of funny, like kind of gangsta, you know? What makes do-rags like make you feel gangster? That's kind of stereotypical, right? Okay, I should stop. Okay, so I already did my brows and prepped my eyelids for eyeshadow. I'm going to jump into the face now. I'm color correcting with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Pure Beige. Ready to blend my concealer in, I'm going in with a small stipple brush by e.l.f. and I just cleaned all my brushes, so I'm like so excited. I love clean brushes, you guys. Love them, love them. It just makes you putting on your makeup so much more exciting. For foundation, I use my Becca Cosmetics foundation in the color Tobacco, and I mixed it with the Ready Set Gorgeous in the color Classic Tan. I want a very full coverage today since I'll be in front of a camera for multiple hours. I don't need this makeup to budge. I don't want to look sweaty. So I'm mixing two of my favorite matte foundations to get the full coverage that I want. The foundation dries like really fast. So you want to make sure that you blend it like right away because it dries super fast. And I'm going to highlight with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is also in the color Pure Beige. I'm using my NYX Professional Makeup Brush number 7 to apply this. I'm going to use my Real Techniques brush to blend this product out. Okay, so I'm really in the mood today to do a cream contour. I haven't done a cream contour in a while, so I'm gonna try it again today. I get kind of nervous when I do cream contours because I have not practice enough with this, but we're gonna do it today, and I'm gonna use my Kiss New York cream to powder foundation, and this is in the color Dark Chocolate. I'm going to use just a little because as you can see it is way darker than me, but I want to have a very smooth base to my contour today. So I'm going to go in with my small stippling brush, and I'm literally just going to dab it right here. I'm not going to take it too far down because I don't want my contour to look muddy. I really want the closest to my face to really pop. So here in the outsides of my face, I want my contour to be really strong, and I'm just going to set this base all over where I would contour, and I'm not going to blend it out too far, keeping it right on the edges of my face. I'm taking my small stipple brush by e.l.f. I'm also going to take some of the foundation right here under my chin to sculpt my face. Now I'm going back with my stipple brush, and I'm just using very small strokes. This is a small brush, so it helps a lot with distributing the product, but I'm using very small strokes and just blending out that contour to have a seamless blend. I'm not getting carried away. I'm literally just keeping it exactly where I will be setting my bronzer. Before I set it with my powder, I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Matte Spray, and I'm going to spray that on my face just to lock all of the liquid in before I put any powder on top of it, and then we'll set it one more time. Set my face today, I'm going in with my Airspun powder, and this is in the color Translucent. I'm using a pink sponge, and it's not damp, it's super dry, but I'm just going to use it to set all of my makeup today. And I'm really pushing that powder in so that I can stay matte all day. I know I look crazy, but it's okay. I'm gonna let this sit for just a second while I contour my nose. I'm gonna use my Makeover Essentials contour palette and contour my nose. I'm using my MAC 168 brush. And I'm gonna go ahead and contour my lid so that I can have a slight transition when I get ready to do my eyeshadow. And I love doing this technique. It just saves me time with really making my transition color or doing a transition color when I get ready to do my eyeshadow. I kind of already have that first transition color with my contour. And I also can leave the house like this. I can just contour my lid so that it'll make my whole look come together, and I don't have to do any eyeshadow. Just pop on some lashes and be good. So that's a really big tip, to just contour your eyelids whenever you contour your nose. If you haven't already did your eyeshadow, it makes things look really natural and brings the whole look together. So after I contour my nose, I'm going to brush all of that excess powder away. That's exactly how long I let it sit. I don't want it to sit too long because then it will start to look, you know, too white. So I give it enough time to sit there while I contour my nose. Moving right along to bronzer, I'm using my MAC Skin Finish bronzer in the color Dark and a angled Beauty Creations brush. And I'm just going to start bronzing up that skin. And this is also going to set my cream contour. Okay, so I sprayed my face one more time with my finishing spray after I applied my highlight, and I'm just going to fan it just a little, lock everything in, dilute all of the powder, and really bring my whole look together. Time for my favorite part. I'm going in with my Morphe eyeshadow palette, the Hey Girl Hey palette. This is the only Morphe palette I have, so I'm gonna stop saying that until I get another one. I'm gonna go in, first I'm gonna go in with the color Sienna. I'm using my Morphe blending brush. I'm using my Morphe B81 blending brush, and I'm just going to go in with this. And basically, I'm just deepening up my transition that I already did with my contour. I'm just going in with a little deeper transition. To deepen up my crease a little more, I'm using my MAC 219 brush. Alright, now that I have my transition color, I'm going to start on my cut crease. I'm using a small Beauty Creations brush and my LA Girl Pro concealer as my base. I really like this brush for precise movements because it doesn't spread. Okay, so I've created my base with my concealer. The line is not always going to be perfect. Well, for me, it's not always going to be perfect. but you can always sharpen it up after you apply the eyeshadow, and then go back into the crease and just blend it out. After I have created my crease with my concealer, I'm going to go on top of the concealer with my Got the Blues Morphe eyeshadow today. This color is like the perfect blue, and it's so pigmented and very beautiful. I love the color. Only thing is, like, the first application that you put on it, it looks kind of teal, so you have to do like 3 layers of the eyeshadow for it to get that real intense pretty blue. I'm going to go with my NYX Professional brush and the number 13. So as you can see, just by 2 layers of the eyeshadow, it is very pigmented, very blue, and it looks beautiful. When I get to the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to kind of drag my eye, put like the tip of the brush at the tip of my crease, and kind of drag it and pull that eye so that the eyeshadow can really comfort. What am I trying to say? So the eyeshadow can settle into the pores and my wrinkles, my eye lines, I guess you would say. So if you can see, I don't know if you can really tell, but right here the line is kind of uneven and the blue shadow kind of transferred to the top of my lid. I'm just going in with my concealer brush and I'm sharpening up that mistake or that mess up right there. And there you go. It's fixed, just that easy. So when that happens, don't get frustrated. Just get a small concealer brush or the concealer brush that you used and just sharpen the line up, and then you can go back in with your transition color and blend it out. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back to finish up the rest of the look. Now finished both of my eyes, and I'm going to move on to my liner. I'm using my e.l.f. liquid liner. You guys know this is my GOAT, and I love this liner. It's jet black and it does not smudge. I just love this eyeliner, and it's only $3, so who wouldn't love $3 eyeliner? If you'd like to order some of this eyeliner, if you're a big liquid eyeliner girl, I will have a link down in the description box that you can click on and order you some e.l.f. e.l.f. liquid liner right now. Alright, so eyeliner's done. I'm going to pop on my lashes. I'm using my Miss Adora lashes. You guys know, my favorite lashes ever. I'm gonna pop those on really fast and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have both of my lashes on. You guys, these lashes are so bomb. Yes, they are everything. I love them so much. Moving right along to highlight, I'm using my Paris Hilton fan brush. And I'm using my Sephora Bright Set powder. My Sephora Baked highlighter. And I'm just going to pop this on. Ooh. This highlighter really gives off that dewy, wet finish. I'm going to put it on the tip of my nose and right here in the bridge. Also going to go for my shiny forehead today. Make it pop. It's almost summertime, you guys. Who's excited? I'm going to come back looking like a melanin popsicle. And I'll highlight my Cupid's bow as well. Alright, now for one of my favorite lip combos. I'm doing my House of the Shea liquid lipstick in the color Burst and some brown liner. You can never go wrong with brown liner and a matte lipstick. So perfect. It looks like a gloss when you apply it, and then like after 2 or 3 minutes it's going to dry and it's going to be like a velvet rich color with a matte finish. Okay, so I'm done looking like Dorothy. I had to take that do-rag off, you guys, because it was giving me like the worst headache ever. So I curled my hair And I applied a little bit of hairspray. So I'm just gonna take my, what is this brush called? Not a bristle brush, but a, I'm just gonna take my weave brush. I'm gonna say weave brush. And I'm just going to brush out my curls. You guys, I do have a hair review coming on. I do have a hair review about this hair coming up very soon. I promise I'm not gonna hold out. And I'll let you guys know how I look so good with my bundles. Yes, they are beautiful, but I can't share where I got them from yet, so stay tuned. And I'm just gonna brush all my curls back. Give me that really Victoria's Secret wavy hair look. If you guys want me to do a hair tutorial on how to get curls like this, be sure to comment down below that you like and you're digging my hair, and I'll be sure to share that with you. Oh, this is my mannequin on what I make my wigs on. That kind of scared me at first. I didn't know that she was right there. That concludes this look, you guys. Thank you so much for coming to check out another video. Also, check the description box for any details on makeup. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Also, do not forget to subscribe. See you guys later. I'm almost to 500 subscribers, and that is all because of you guys who come and watch and actually subscribe. I appreciate it so much. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe now. Join the fam bam, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. Audio Jungle.